Hello friends, welcome to DIY Woodworking India. Today I will show you an alternative to popular Moxon vise. You'll find a lot of materials about the Moxon vise. DIY woodworkers or any woodworkers use it very often. So here I'll show you an alternative to that Moxon vise, which is also capable of doing the similar things, which is very easy to build. It's a 5-minute work basically. So you can see in this video I'm holding one wood piece using that alternative Moxon vise. So you can see that wood piece in the back side, which I fit to the base of the table. That is the wood piece, and I have fitted it using screws. Then I have made holes, two holes, and I have fitted the holes from the other end of the wood piece, which is in the back side. The cap will be in the back side of the backside wood piece. The hole I have made is such that it just fits the screw, so that the screw becomes very tight in the base. And you can see another wood piece which I have uh, just fitted it using holes which I have drilled, and rest is very clear from the video. uh, this is very simple to use, but it's very handy. Thanks for watching.